Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to jump into our phonics paper. Today we're looking at page 277, 278. You should see a little nest with an egg on your paper, and the backside should be like a little coloring sheet with a turtle playing like a banjo. Almost looks like a swamp area that you get to color by following directions. Anyway, we're going to jump right in. And this paper shouldn't be too hard for you. We're going to be looking at complete sentences. And remember, what does a complete sentence have? It begins with a capital and it ends with some form of punctuation, right? And a complete sentence is a complete thought. Okay, so you're not going to have any questions left like what happened to the dog? What did the dog do? Who went where? There's going to be answers to all of that. Okay, a complete thought is a complete sentence, and you're not left wondering anything else. Okay, all right. I think we can handle it. Go ahead and get your pencil ready to go. I'm gonna share my screen really quick with you, and then we're gonna jump right into our paper. All right. Hope it works first time. Yes, awesome. So great when it works the first time, right? Okay, number 1 says circle yes if the group of words is a complete sentence. Circle no if the group of words is not a sentence. Alligators live near rivers and swamps. Is that a complete sentence? What do you think? Capital at the beginning, punctuation at the end. Does it make sense? Alligators live near rivers and swamps. Is there a who or what? Alligators. And it's telling you what they do. They live near swamps. So yes. Next, alligators in the sun on the river. I kind of have a question. What about the alligators in the sun on the river? What does that mean? That's not really complete. It doesn't really make sense. Next, an alligator can open his eyes under the water. Does that make sense? What do you think, Mickey? Yeah, it makes sense. Good. His hide waterproof. Does that make any sense? I'm kind of confused by that. Who are we talking about? What is waterproof? So I'm going to circle no. Do you know how many teeth an alligator has? Sounds like an interrogative sentence. Yes, that is complete, a complete thought. Eat fish, shrimp, turtles, and ducks. Well, I have a question for that one. What eats fish, shrimp, turtles, and ducks? Who eats fish, shrimp, turtles, and ducks? Nope, not a complete sentence. And the last one, large alligators are dangerous. That's an exclamatory sentence. Yes, it's a complete thought. Let's go ahead and scroll down. You're going to need colors, brown, orange, and green. I'm going to give you a second to get those while I change my color here. So if it's a declarative sentence, ends in a period, declarative sentence, remember, it tells us information, ends in a period. You're going to color it brown. If it's interrogative, which means it's asking you a question, and it ends in a question mark, that one's going to be, well, I'm going to write it right here, question mark, period. That one's going to be orange. And then exclamatory ends in exclamation point because you're exclaiming something, right? Something loud, something excited. Okay. All right. Do you like to eat eggs? Ion, am I asking you a question? Am I explaining something? Or am I just telling you information? Do you like to eat eggs, Ion? Oh, it ends in a question mark, so it's interrogative. Orange. And I know that your coloring is going to be way better than my coloring. But remember, I'm doing it on the iPad, and you have your paper and your colors or your color pencils, whatever you're using, okay? All right, next. Many animals lay eggs. Did I exclaim it? Am I asking you something, or am I just telling you information? Good job, declarative. Is brown. Next, the eastern indigo snake lays very large eggs. Am I asking you a question, exclaiming information, or just telling you information? You're right, David, telling you information. So that would be brown again. Nope, Oh, yes, brown. Sorry, got confused. The orange looked like brown to me. Whoops. All right, next. Do you know how much? Well, first of all, I already have a clue. If I'm looking at this, do you know? And even how much? Those are clue words to what? And also this is a clue word to interrogative, right? When they're asking a question, there are question words, words that ask questions. Do you know how much an ostrich egg weighs? Those are all question words. Oop. You can see right through frog eggs. First of all, fun fact, I did not know that. And second of all, I'm exclaiming something. So what kind of sentence is that? I think I just gave you an answer. Exclamatory, is that what you said, Lydia? You're absolutely correct. A bee hummingbird's eggs. First of all, I didn't know there was a bee hummingbird. A bee hummingbird's egg are only 1/4 inch long. What kind of a sentence is that, Michael? Am I exclaiming something? Am I asking something? Or am I just telling you information? What do you think, Mike? Telling you information. Very good. So get your brown and color it in. Great job, friends. I like to go back to red. All right. On the bottom, it says circle the correct word in each sentence. We are going to William's birthday party tomorrow or William's birthday party tomorrow. Whose birthday party is it? It belongs to William, the birthday party that belongs to William. Now, just adding an S makes it plural. So are we talking about more than one William? No, we're not. We're talking about one William. And remember, apostrophe S shows ownership. Okay. Now, it shows possession. Who's the party belong to? The party belongs to William. So it's Williams. All right. His mother is making cupcakes or cupcakes with yellow frosting. Are we talking about more than one cupcake or the frosting that belongs to the cupcake? Mother is making cupcakes with yellow frosting. Well, more than one, so it's plural. So it's just cupcake with an S at the end. Next, my dad's car is getting new tires, or my dad's car is getting new tires. What do you think? Who's the car belong to? Lots of dads or my dad? Yeah, dads. It's one dad and it's showing ownership, the car that belongs to dad. But we don't really talk like that, right? We don't say the car that belongs to my dad. No, we say my dad's car is getting new tires or tires, like possession. Well, are we talking about anything that the tire owns? So we know it's not that one. We're talking about more than one. So tires. Very good. We will ride with my cousins to the party. Cousins. So my cousins, meaning more than one, or my cousins, apostrophe S, meaning belonging to the party. You're right. If you said cousins, more than one. If it just has an S, that means it's more than one. We're talking about plural. Singular means one. Plural means more than one. Now, if we add apostrophe and S, that means ownership, possession. It belongs to someone, something that belongs to someone. Okay, good job, friends. Let's go on to the back. This back part, you're probably going to be able to do on your own. Not probably, you will be able to do on your own. You're going to need an orange color. Let's see, probably blue and any other color you need. So just grab your whole box of little crayons there or color pencils. Even markers are fine. Read the sentences and follow the directions. Color the tiniest musical note orange. So orange for the smallest musical note. Do you see all the musical notes? 1, 2, 3, 4. The smallest one gets to be orange. All right. And draw 2 clouds in the sky. 2 clouds in the sky. Very good. Oh, and there I go, not following directions. I already messed up. Draw the bigger cloud on the left side. So the biggest cloud goes on this side, and then the little itty bitty one goes on this side. Okay. I should probably read both directions before I start doing something, right? That's something that Miss Warner always reminds you guys of. And guess what? I just did the same thing. I was moving too fast. Number 3, draw 3 fish in the water. Draw the littlest fish under the animal with the longest instrument. Okay, I like my fish to be orange. Let's see. Draw the littlest fish under the animal with the longest instrument. Which one's the longest instrument? The turtle's holding the longest instrument. And how many fish am I drawing? 3 fish in the water. So I'm going to do my fish like this. And one more. You can do your fish whatever color you'd like. Does not have to be orange. For some reason, I think of goldfish when I think of fish. All right. And I'm sure your drawings are going to be way better than mine. And you're going to color them in and take your time. Let's see. Draw 2 musical notes over the smallest instrument. I'm going to get black for my musical notes. And the smallest instrument is this one. And I'm going to draw 2 musical notes over the smallest instrument. All right. Well, we did everything the instructions asked us to do. So now what I want you to do is color this whole page, make it nice and neat, color within the lines, take your time and make it all very colorful. Remember, we're in 1st grade now, getting ready to go to 2nd grade. We do not do scribble scrabble. All right, take your time, pick different colors, make it bright and colorful. I know you're going to do an amazing job. All right, friends, have a great day. Bye. Bye.